Ever feel like no matter how much you achieve or acquire, you're still empty inside? That's exactly how the woman at the well felt, until she met Jesus. He offered her living water, a source of fulfillment that would never run dry. In 2025, where we're constantly chasing success, relationships, and social media validation, this story reminds us that true satisfaction comes from something deeper. Think about it. What are you trying to fill your life with that's leaving you empty? Is it material possessions, career achievements, or the approval of others? Jesus offers us something better, a relationship with Him that satisfies our deepest needs. So how can you drink from His living water today? Maybe it's spending time in prayer, reading the Bible, or simply slowing down to reflect on what truly matters. Let's make 2025 the year we stop chasing temporary fixes and start finding lasting fulfillment. Share your thoughts in the comments. What's one thing you're chasing that you know won't satisfy? Let's inspire each other to seek what truly matters. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have an amazing day. God bless.